the top things to do in Innsbruck is visiting the Nordkette. There are a couple of possibilities on how to save some money on tickets. We have a yearly ticket on different activities, however there is also an Innsbruck card for tourists that intend to visit multiple attractions in or around Innsbruck. If you're interested in visiting the top of Innsbruck only, you can buy a ticket online or on spot. The prices will vary significantly depending if you opt for a combi ticket, for example. The last station of the funicular is Hungerburg. Here you can enjoy a panoramic view of the city and even enjoy a Christmas market in December. After that, you'll need to switch to a cable car that will take you directly to Seegrube. There you will find the highest chill-out zone in Innsbruck, located 1,900 meters above sea level. But we will return to this point after the very top of Innsbruck. After switching the cable car one more time, here we are.
So, have chosen the dramatic location with the sign. The views are amazing! Just have a look. It's so beautiful. I'm a bit afraid to go here and there, but I mean, it's a bit snowy, but not very much. Cold, crowded, very crowded. I didn't expect it to be so crowded, but I mean, the views are amazing. And you can go on top, but I don't know. I'm not very motivated.
The weather can be unpredictable at high altitude, so it's important to check the weather beforehand. You might need a pair of sunglasses for better vision, for example, or a scarf and warm gloves. By the way, yellow helicopters in the mountains provide emergency medical services, including rapid transportation of patients and rescue operations in remote or hard-to-reach areas. Given Innsbruck's location in the Alps, the helicopters are crucial for rescuing injured hikers, skiers, and climbers. To be fair, Nordkette offers a variety of activities in different seasons. For example, trails of varying difficulty levels are available for warmer months. In winter, the Nordkette area offers challenging slopes and a freestyle park. Also, a good thing to know is that sometimes it gets really crowded and you will need to wait for another cable car to go up or down, because they all can accommodate a limited number of people. Just plan enough time for the whole activity.
I did it without your help. Your thoughts?
Very nice.
Very nice.
And a small hike, but it's not too difficult, so she's just complaining about it. She doesn't know.
We return to Seegrube Restaurant. In winter you can ride the slopes and eat here directly, which is super convenient. Your statement?
Nice.
And that's me trying elderberry juice, which I didn't like the first time, but kinda liked the second time. This one is not bad. We ordered a traditional plate filled with local meats, cheese, bread, and other products. It's really worth to spend some time here during sunset because the views get even more magnificent on a clear day. However, mind the timetable of the cable car and the funicular so that you don't have to walk all the way down on foot. Have you ever visited Nordkette in Innsbruck, or do you know other places worth visiting? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.